So they just released some new ITC deals. I'm going to cover the top ones in this video to consider. And I'm going to start off with the US General 56-inch box double bank roller cabinet. I know many of you have been waiting for a deal on it, and I don't necessarily know if this is going to be the deal to go for, but if you're in need of one right now, then it would be perhaps the time to get it. At this store, it is normally priced at 900 bucks. With the ITC pricing, it is at 790, so it's saving $110, which is about 13% off. Of course, it depends on where you're at, because I've heard from some of you guys that are up in the Northeast where they are actually raised the price on this to $1,000. So if that's the case in some of your stores, this price should be good at everywhere for the ITC pricing of 790. So being that there was a coupon last month to save 20% on one item, that would have been the time to get this. Or when they had the US General sale of 20% off, that would have been the time. But I know the timing is not always perfect for everyone. But this is what the deal they have on now. And it is available in all the 9 different colors, including the new purple. We'll take a look at the inside of some of these drawers. It is a nice box without a doubt. And just so you know, if you're not an ITC member right now, you could sign up for a 1-year plan at $30 or a 2-year plan inside the store for $45. So you do have to ask the cashier specifically in the store for the $45 plan for 2 years. It's not available online. The one gripe I have about the US General boxes are the latches. Sometimes they're very difficult to open the drawers, but I know there's a workaround on that to be able to actually just remove the latches if it's not important to you. This is the power drawer here, so it does have a power strip, so you can have the different battery chargers in it. And it has a USB-A and USB-C port, which is nice. So you keep it all nicely organized in the one drawer there, the different chargers. The nice big deep drawer, which you could outfit it with a power tool organizer in here. It's a nice box. Okay, savings at 13%, $110 off if you're in the market for it. So if you weren't able to get the deal last month during the 12 days of sales they had on the US General 4-drawer tech cart, the 30-inch one here, where they actually had it for the 1-day sale for $179. Well, your patience has paid off for you having to wait, because you actually get a better deal on this now, as it is now priced at $160. It was $230. That's an excellent deal of saving $70, and it's more than pays for the membership itself. So if you're not an ITC member, it's definitely worth signing up for, so you can get these savings and to save even more money after paying for the membership. So it's a nice tech cart. I did get this one in the blue. So this is available in the 8 different colors. Not available in the purple yet. And the drawer slides do support up to 75 pounds per pair. And it does have a nice tool organizer on each side with the holes. And you can obviously outfit the tech cart with the different magnetic accessories that they have, including the power strip and cup holders, towel holders. So they have many different accessories you can outfit it with, and even including a side tray for it as well. So definitely an excellent deal at 160 bucks. You cannot beat that. I haven't seen it be lower than that, actually. So it would be the time to get one if you've been waiting. If you're gaining value from this video, I would appreciate it. They give it a thumbs up. And if you're on a mobile device, please consider hyping the video, as it does help spread the word and it helps out the channel. And also consider subscribing if you're not already. That way you're notified of new tool deal videos that I do here in the future. And I really appreciate that support. Let's move on to the next deal. All right, the next deal to go for is a general deal on all the different flap discs they have for angle grinders, and it covers all brands. So the Bauer, Hercules, and even the Warrior ones. So if you're ITC member, you save 20% off all flap discs. So it might be a decent pickup, especially if you don't get it during this weekend when they are offering the 30% off sale, which would be the better time to get it. But like I said, if you're outside of the window, then you can save 20% on all of these, which these ITC deals are good all the way until February 26th. So you do have majority of February to capture them. Next deal is on the Hercules 14 amp. It's 1 7/8 inch SDS Max type variable speed rotary hammer. This thing does look like a beast. It does have a 360-degree handle, so you can rotate this front handle to the best position that you need it in. It does have the different modes to it here on the top part, so you can do hammer only mode, drilling, and hammer drilling. So it's great to have the versatility in a tool like this for different types of projects. It is normally priced at $450. ITC pricing is saving $100, so only $350. Awesome deal. If you're looking for a demolition hammer, they have this one by Bauer. It's 12.5 amp. It also has a 360-degree handle, so you can move it to wherever you need it. It's normally priced at $300, but you can save $60 on that, making it $240. And they do have even a smaller one, a Bauer 10 amp, 1/8 inch SCS Plus type rotary hammer. It's normally priced at $95, but you can save $25 on that, so it's only $70. And they even have a deal on the Pittsburgh 1-ton telescoping gantry crane. It is normally priced at $850, but you can save $70 on that, making it priced at $780. And here's a QR code if you want to scan it with your phone. And that way you can go directly to the Inside Track Club deals. And they do have a deal on the Daytona 22-ton jack stands with the locking pin, which is pretty heavy duty. It does have a minimum height of 13 7/8 inch and a max lift height of 19 7/8. It is normally priced at $210, but you can save $60 on that, so it's only $150. And if you have a drywall project coming up, they do have a deal on the Franklin drywall lift that goes up to 11 feet 5 inches. Adjustable panel hoist. It does have caster wheels. It has a weight capacity of 150 pounds to it. It is normally priced at $230. The ITC deal is priced at $190, saving $40. And the next deal is on this Hercules 14-inch abrasive cutoff saw. It's a 15 amp rated. It has a 5-inch cutting capacity, adjustable depth stop to it, a compact job site mobility. It is normally priced at $190. But with the ITC price, you can save $40 on that, so it's only $150. They do have a deal on the Bauer 4 cubic foot cement mixer. It is rated at 24 RPM, half horsepower. It has a polyethylene drum, and the capacity is 235 pounds worth of concrete in there. It is normally priced at $380. The ITC pricing is saving $50, so it's $330. So if you just came and got this alone, the savings would pay for the 2-year membership of the ITC membership. So definitely great savings with ITC. And they do have a decent deal on the Pittsburgh 2.5-ton aluminum floor jack. It is the racing floor jack, so low profile. It does have a max height of 18 5/8 inch and a minimum height of 2 2/3 inch. And it has the rapid dual pump to it as well. It is normally priced at $220, but you can save $50 on that with the ITC price. $170. And if you need the 15-inch end cabinet to go with the new US General box you recently got, they do have this one. It's 15-inch, 6-drawer one. It is normally priced at $280, but with the ITC pricing, you save $30 on that, making it $250. Next deal's on the Hercules 1.25 horsepower variable speed trim router. That is normally priced at $100, but you save $20 on that, so it's only $80. And the next deal's on the 13 amp 4.5 inch to 6 inch trigger grip angle grinder. It's normally priced at $100. You can save $20 on that, so it's only $80. And another Hercules deal is on the 12 amp recip saw that is normally priced at $100. You can save 20% on that, so $20 off, making it $80. Pretty decent savings, and it even has a rafter hook too. And they brought back another Hercules deal on the Hercules beam cutter, so you can outfit your 7.25 inch circular saw, which it does fit most of the different brands of circular saws. And you can make it into a beam cutter with a max cut of 12-inch depth cut. So if you have beams to cut or other large posts like that, then it might be something to get. I'd be interested to know how it works. It is normally priced at $80, but with ITC pricing, you save $20 on that, making it $60. And the next deal is on the Bauer 7.5 amp, 6 inch, 20 millimeter long throw random orbit DA polisher. So it's a corded tool, and it is normally priced at $80, but you can save $20 on that, making it $60. And the next Bauer deal is on the 5.8 amp, 4.5 inch compact circular saw. It is the corded version of it, and it is normally priced at $60. With ITC member price, you can save $15 on that, so it's only $45. Another Bauer deals on the 3-inch by 21-inch variable speed belt sander. It is normally priced at 55 bucks. You could save $10 on that, so it's only $45. So if you happen to need to get this, then don't forget they have that awesome deal on the replacement belts on the instant savings, especially during this weekend where you save the additional 30% on them. And here's another Bauer deal. It's on the 20-volt D-handle jigsaw. It is tool only, and it uses the T-shank blades to it. It's normally priced at 45 bucks, but you can save $10 on that, so it's priced at $35. And this does have a laser guided system to it as well. And they do have a deal on the Hercules 15 amp 7.25-inch circular saw. It is normally priced at 100 bucks, but you can save $10 on that, better than nothing, so it's only 90 bucks. They do have a deal on the Bauer 10-inch miter saw and table saw blade. So it's the 80 tooth carbide teeth. So for fine finish work that you need to do, it does have a thin curve to it. It is normally priced at $27, but you can actually save $7 on that, making it only 20 bucks. They have a pretty good deal on the US General 12-inch magnetic tray with a screwdriver holder. So this is what it looks like, so you can outfit any of your toolboxes. This is normally priced at 15 bucks, but you save $5 on that, so it's only $10, and it is available in 8 different colors. And they do have a deal on the Pittsburgh half-inch lug nut impact socket set. It does have both SAE and metric, so it includes the most common sizes of 17, 19, and 21 millimeter, and at 13 16, 7 eighths, 1 inch, and 1 16th of an inch. They are color coded and have the protective wrap around them to help protect the rims. This is normally priced at 50 bucks on it, but you can save $10, so it's only $40. Good deal. And another good deal is on the Pittsburgh 3-piece half-inch drive impact lug nut flip socket set. So it has reversible sides there on the different sizes. So it includes 19, 21 millimeter, 3/4 inch, and 13 16ths, as well as a 3-inch extension. And they also have a lifetime warranty on this. It is normally priced at 18 bucks, but you can save $6 on that, so it's only $12. And they do have some ITC deals on the Pittsburgh 14-piece SAE V-Groove combination wrench set. It is normally priced at 50 bucks, but you can save $15 on that, so it's only $35. And those do range from size 3/8 up to 1.25 inch. And they also have the metric version as well for the same price of saving $15 on that, and that ranges from size 10 millimeter up to 32 millimeter. And they have awesome savings on the Pittsburgh Pro 5-piece flex head combo wrench set in both the SAE and metric. SAE size, it does range from 3/8 up to 5/8. So pretty good little kit right here, especially at this price. It is normally priced at 32 bucks, but you can save $12 on that, so it's only $20. And the same thing goes for the metric as well. It does range from size 10 millimeter up to 15 millimeter in the flex ratcheting wrenches. Again, same price at 20 bucks, saving 12. Excellent deal on these. So if you missed out on last month's deals or this previous time that they're having the ITC deals on the G1 Icon ratchets, well, they brought back many of the deals. I'm not sure if they're the same or maybe lower amount of savings, but to me it seems like they are definitely going to be phasing out the G1 since they're having multiple deals on them. So I'll give you some examples here, and they do have variable savings between like 8% all the way up to 35% off on them. So they definitely vary depending on the ratchet itself. So they do have the low profile 90 tooth half-inch one priced at 39 bucks, and it was 48. Then they have the flex head half-inch drive ratchet for 38 bucks. That's saving $15. And they have another flex head 90 tooth ratchet. This is the longer version of the half-inch drive, 48 bucks, saving 20. Then they have the comfort grip one half-inch 90 tooth low profile priced at 39 bucks, saving $9 there. And they have the half-inch drive 90 tooth flex head priced at 38, and it was 53, so saving 15. Save $18 on the half-inch drive 90 tooth with the comfort grip on that, and that's priced at 50 bucks, and that was 68. You can save $18 on the flex head 90 tooth half-inch drive one with the regular handle priced at 50 bucks. It was 68. Then they have the swivel head half-inch drive one priced at 38 bucks, and it was 45. And they even have deals on the gold. So the 3/8 drive one, they have this priced at $48, saving 12, which is saving 20% on that. Then they have the 1/4 inch drive one gold ratchet priced at 38 bucks, saving 12, which is 24% off. And I'll just kind of quickly scroll through these. You can pause the video of the different savings which these are like $3 off. The quarter inch 90 tooth one is saving 11 bucks, so that is a good deal on that one. And even with the regular handle flex head 90 tooth quarter inch for $27, it was 38. Another low profile quarter inch drive for 22 bucks, it was 33. And the stubby low profile quarter inch is priced at 22 bucks and it was 28. So definitely many options to consider. They do have a deal on the Icon 25-inch breaker bar with the half-inch drive. It does have a 180-degree pivoting head to that. That's priced at 35 bucks and it was 40. So only saving $5 there. And that one does have the comfort grip to it. So definitely if you missed out on this previous time they had the ITC deals on them, might be the time to get some. I know some have been waiting for some more G2 ratchets to come out. So maybe they're just starting to make room, eliminating the G1s and or selling through them before they start adding more of the G2s. That's just my opinion. All right, that's going to be it for the ITC deals I'm going to cover in this video. There's definitely more to choose from. I'll be sure to put a link in the description below that goes directly to the ITC deals so you can check them out. And again, you do have until February 26th for these deals. And if you gain any value from the video, I would appreciate that you give it a thumbs up and consider hyping the video as it does help the channel. And also be sure to subscribe for more deal videos like this I do here in the future. I really do appreciate you watching and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.